Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Up, guys. So for today, I'm going to show you where to download DaVinci effects and templates all for free. So the first website that we have is called Mixkit. Mixkit not only provides you with video templates, it also provides music and sound effects. So definitely be sure to check that out. They have here unlimited downloads also for Envato. If you haven't checked out Envato, make sure to be on the lookout for our video on Envato on how to get it for free. That would be very useful if you're a beginner in video editing. And yeah, let's start the video. So here we have DaVinci Resolve. So these are all of the free templates or effects that you can download for DaVinci Resolve. So all you have to do is simply select on the template that you want to have. Let's say you're creating an advertisement for a project or something. Then you can go here, just click on download, and automatically it will download the free template for you. So there are different types of things that you can download here. You can have this, the fast text transition title, which was, I believe, introduced in an Apple commercial. And then here you also have here if you're a fan of coffee. And there are a bunch of other videos here that are perfect for every video editing niche. Now, another website you might want to check is Motion VFX. So with Motion VFX, the packs are actually quite limited. But the thing is, you can view if it's for free or if not. And as you can see here, these are all the DaVinci Resolve uh, effects that you can get absolutely for free. As you can see here, it's for free. So just click on that and then click on get it for free. Automatically, that would start installing for you. It's available on both Apple and Windows. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.